Telegram secret chat screenshot. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I will showcase Telegram secret chat screenshot and the ways to do it. So for that, just simply open the Telegram application in your mobile device, and if you haven't have the application in your mobile, just simply go to your Play Store or App Store and download the application in your mobile device, and after that just simply open it. And once you're there in the Telegram app, all you have to do is just simply open the chat where you want to take a screenshot. So for example, I have so many chats in the Telegram itself. So for example, I have opened this particular chat right here, and in order to take the screenshot, all you have to do is just simply just simply take the screenshot the way you usually does. So I have just taken a screenshot, as you can see on my screen, and the screenshot has came out quite successfully. But there is a twist in that. So for example, you want to take a screenshot for this particular chat right here, and the admin of this particular chat or the group chat or whatever chat you are trying to take the screenshot have not allowed the users or the people who are chatting with them to take the screenshot. You won't be able to take the screenshot. That's the rule that the Telegram follows, because they will provide you 100% security and the privacy while talking to the other person. So if the admin has removed the option to take the screenshot, you won't be able to take it. But this particular person has not removed that particular option, so I would be able to take this screenshot right here. As you can see, I can take this screenshot quite easily. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to take a screenshot in Telegram. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.